On today's Green Road, we're going to talk about something that you can't see, but you can feel and experience it. And it's something that makes Toyota's modern vehicles more efficient and greener. Toyota first introduced what it calls TNGA, or the Toyota New Global Architecture, on the latest Prius. This new architecture, or platform, was designed with several key advancements in mind. First is to develop an architecture that can be shared across the entire platform, and since the Prius, it has. New models to include TNGA are the CHR, Camry, Avalon, Corolla hatchback, and soon the all-new RAV4. Sharing a similar architecture reduces manufacturing costs substantially, which helps keep the price of the new cars down. Second, the materials used are lighter and stronger, and when matched to new, more efficient engines and transmissions, these new cars handle better and return much improved fuel economy, even though many of these new models are larger and roomier. Because this new architecture is lower and wider than previous efforts, the models have sleeker designs, better handling, and improved ride, which are all welcomed by buyers. Toyota has put a lot of effort into making its platform scalable so that they can use it across their entire lineup. The savings in both production and fuel make these modern vehicles much greener.